Welcome to today's lesson. In this class, we'll be learning reading and diction practice. We'll have a passage that you guys will read. But before you read, I want you to know that in this lesson, we will be focusing on linking R, intrusive linking, and more so, glottal stop and weak forms. So, let's get started with this passage. You read first, and I will read, and you will imitate me afterwards. Now read. Thanks a lot for that reading. Now listen to my own reading and imitate me. During the holidays, I play a lot of tennis. Sometimes I go fishing with BC and Musa, my two friends. We have lots of fun fishing in the river near the village. When we go fishing, we take along some food because there is no refreshment stand at the riverside. Each of us brings along one item of food. BC brings roasted corn, Musa roasted yam, and I, fruits like pineapple and some oranges. That's it. So let me explain some phrase and clause in that passage. First, let's begin with this one. I play a lot of tennis. From that side, I said I play a lot of tennis. I didn't say I play. So what do you think happened there? I replaced the vowel I to That's the schwa, weak form. Okay? That's why I said play, and play sounds louder, which means I stressed it. A weak form Now this word L-O-T, I said lot, and not lots. So I glottalized that word. When you glottalize a word, you replace the sound of T from that word with this sorting pause when you get to that T. And when you want to glottalize, please start with one syllable, monosyllabic words first. Now when you've known how to glottalize well, when you're familiar with words that you can glottalize, there's some other words with two syllables that you can glottalize. But start with one syllable first to know how to glottalize, so you don't glottalize wrong words. Okay? So I glottalize L-O-T, and also I linked it to the weak form of this word, O-F. That word is, I hope you don't pronounce the word off like you want to switch off something, you know. It's with the V sound, of. Weak form, of. So I linked. I play a lot of tennis. I play a lot of tennis. That's it. Okay? So after that, there's another linking as this line. We have lots, L-O-T-S. You can't glottalize that because the word is not ending with the T, it's ending with the S. Okay, now the S is linked to of, weak form of, lots of fun. Fishing in, you can link that to fishing in. Okay? After that we have another, we take along, take, linked to long, take along, that's another link in there. Now this is linking R, There is no refreshment stand. That's the riverside. Good. Two Lincoln there. One Lincoln R and the other Lincoln standards. First Lincoln R. There is no refreshment stand. That's the riverside. Okay. Now here there is Lincoln here. There are Lincoln rather. You Lincoln from each to earth. And from earth to us. Us. Strong form, weak form is. Each of us brings along, we'll link it from brings to along. Brings along one item of food. Good. After that, pineapple and that's another link. That's a lost link from what I read. Pineapple and some oranges. So that's it about the words that you can learn, weak forms, and also glottal stuff from that passage that we just read. But the remaining part of the passage is not that much remaining, but you will have that one as exercise to practice with. But don't worry, you have it from the beginning to the end. So you have everything to practice with. When you practice, make sure you pay attention to the Lincoln R, inclusive Lincoln, weak forms, and all. Thanks ever so much for being in this class, and I'll see you in the next class.